Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use DeepL Write to fix grammar. So actually what you're using, DeepL Write automatically corrects the grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and sentence structure, also awkward phrasing. Okay, so actually guys, at first you will need to go with your favorite browser and then just go with DeepL.com. Make sure that you already sign in with your account and then click on DeepL Write option that's located on the left hand menu. It's the third one. Okay, so right here you will need to paste or type your text. Okay, and the tool will instantly, as you can see, highlight the errors. So just click on the highlighted words or phrases and choose the correct version. Okay, so your sentence then updates automatically. Okay, also guys, you can fix the entire sentence, so DeepL doesn't just fix words, it can rewrite full sentence, as you can see below. Today my sister is irritating, but more often than not she is pleasant. Okay, also can simplify complex wording and adjust tone like formal, informal if available. So actually guys, I do really advise you to use the full sentences, not single words, and add punctuation even if wrong. DeepL will fix it, and review suggestions instead of accepting all blindly. Okay, so some languages have better grammar supports than others, and very informal slang may be changed to standard language, and advanced features may require the DeepL Pro. So actually guys, you can go and choose the alternatives if you'd like to, just like that, and you can use them on your research, etc. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.